Have you ever wished you could enjoy your patio during every season of the year? What if rain, wind, bugs, and extreme temperatures never interrupted your outdoor time? Could an enclosed patio become your favorite room in the entire house? What design ideas create the perfect balance between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty? How do homeowners turn ordinary patios into stunning all-season retreats? Stay until the end to discover enclosed patio ideas that can completely transform your backyard. Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. Why are enclosed patios becoming so popular for modern homes? Enclosed patios combine indoor comfort with outdoor beauty. They provide protection from rain, wind, and insects. Homeowners can enjoy natural light throughout the year. These spaces work well for relaxing, dining, and entertaining. They help maximize the use of existing outdoor areas. An enclosed patio adds both value and functionality to a home. Great spaces begin with great inspiration. Keep exploring fresh ideas that can help make everyday living more comfortable, stylish, and enjoyable. What makes a sunroom patio so attractive? Sunrooms allow sunlight to fill the space all day. Large windows create bright and welcoming interiors. They offer beautiful outdoor views in every season. Furniture stays protected from weather exposure. Sunrooms feel connected to nature while remaining comfortable. They are ideal for relaxation and family gatherings. The best home improvements often combine beauty and practicality. Keep discovering ideas that can bring both into your everyday life. Why choose a screened patio instead of an open patio? Screened patios keep insects and pests outside. Fresh air can still flow through the space. They provide shade during hot summer days. Outdoor views remain open and unobstructed. Maintenance is often simpler than fully enclosed rooms. They create a comfortable environment for daily use. Small upgrades can make a huge difference. Continue exploring possibilities that can improve comfort without sacrificing style. How can enclosed patios be used throughout the year? They provide shelter during rainy weather. Heating options make winter use more comfortable. Ceiling fans help cool the space in summer. Spring and autumn become even more enjoyable. Families can gather regardless of outdoor conditions. The patio remains functional every season. A versatile space can completely change how a home feels. Keep looking for ideas that work beautifully all year long. What furniture works best in an enclosed patio? Comfortable seating creates a welcoming atmosphere. Weather-resistant materials offer long-lasting durability. Modular furniture allows flexible arrangements. Dining sets support family meals and gatherings. Accent tables improve convenience and functionality. Soft cushions add warmth and visual appeal. Thoughtful details often create the biggest impact. Continue discovering ideas that make spaces both practical and inviting. How can natural light improve an enclosed patio? Natural light makes rooms feel larger. It creates a bright and cheerful atmosphere. Sunlight highlights furniture and decor beautifully. Energy costs may be reduced during daytime hours. Plants thrive in naturally illuminated spaces. The patio feels open and connected to nature. A brighter environment can transform everyday experiences. Keep exploring creative ways to bring more light into your living spaces. What flooring options work well for enclosed patios? Tile flooring offers durability and easy maintenance. Luxury vinyl provides comfort and moisture resistance. Natural stone adds elegance and timeless appeal. Wood-look materials create warmth and character. Concrete finishes suit modern design styles. The right flooring enhances both beauty and function. Strong design starts from the ground up. Keep gathering ideas that help create a space you'll love for years. What lighting ideas improve evening ambiance? String lights create a warm and cozy glow. Pendant fixtures add style and elegance. Wall sconces provide practical illumination. Floor lamps enhance comfort and flexibility. Layered lighting improves functionality after sunset. Good lighting extends patio enjoyment into the night. The right atmosphere can completely transform a space. Keep exploring ideas that add comfort and character to every corner. What modern design trends are popular for enclosed patios? Clean lines create a sophisticated appearance. Neutral colors maintain a timeless aesthetic. Large glass panels maximize outdoor views. Minimalist furniture supports an uncluttered look. Natural textures add warmth and balance. Modern patios focus on simplicity and comfort. Design trends can spark exciting new ideas. Keep exploring fresh concepts that blend style with everyday practicality. How can you turn an ordinary patio into a dream, all-season living space? Start with a design that matches your lifestyle needs. Add comfortable furniture for daily relaxation and gatherings. Use screens or glass enclosures for weather protection. Include lighting features that create day-to-night functionality. Decorate with plants, textures, and personal accents. Focus on comfort, beauty, and year-round usability. The most memorable spaces are created one idea at a time. Keep exploring fresh inspiration and discover new ways to transform everyday areas into places you'll truly love spending time in. What is the ultimate goal of creating an enclosed patio? To enjoy outdoor views in complete comfort, to create a relaxing extension of the home, to provide space for family and friends, to maximize the usability of outdoor areas, to blend nature with modern living, to enjoy every season without limitations. Every great space begins with a vision. Keep seeking inspiration that helps turn ordinary areas into extraordinary places. What are the best enclosed patio ideas for creating a cozy year-round retreat? Add comfortable seating that encourages relaxation. Use layered lighting for warmth and ambiance. Include plants to bring nature closer indoors. Choose weather-friendly materials for lasting beauty. Incorporate heating and cooling for seasonal comfort. Create a personalized space that feels welcoming every day. Inspiration is everywhere when you know where to look. Keep exploring new ideas and discover creative ways to make your living spaces more enjoyable, functional, and beautiful. At the beginning of this video, we asked whether it was possible to enjoy outdoor living throughout the entire year. Now you can see the answer is yes. Whether you choose a bright sunroom, a breezy screened patio, or a fully enclosed retreat, the right design can provide comfort, beauty, and functionality in every season. With thoughtful furniture, lighting, plants, and modern features, your patio can become one of the most loved spaces in your home. The perfect year-round outdoor living experience may be closer than you think.